What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of New Parenting Training. So last week, my wife ordered something from Blue Apron. So apparently they have something on sale for a discount on Ibotta. So I think it was like $50 off. It's a subscription program, and this thing came out to be $59 something plus shipping. It's supposed to be for 3 meals, and each meal serves 2. So anyway, this just came today. Well, one thing I want to advise you guys is that keep an eye on the tracking, because my wife told me that it's coming today, so I keep looking on the email. They didn't even knock on the door or anything. So around like afternoon time, I look at the email and it says delivered. I'm like, whoa. Because, you know, it's perishable goods and keep refrigerated and handled with care. So I figured that they would at least let us know when the package arrived. I don't want it to leave outside in the sun for too long. Then what? The heat gonna cook it for us? So anyway, yeah, I just uncut the tape, but this is just a ginormous box. It's quite heavy. So let's see what we have here. So recipe is for roasted pork and spiced vegetable. So I'm assuming there are 3. This one, chicken teriyaki and aromatic rice. This one is meatloaf. There you go. Wow, okay, so the stuff are pretty expensive. It also came with the nutritional info to tell you what the calorie count, the nutritional facts on there. Okay, here it says summer is served. There you go. Hopefully this being well packaged, because it was outside for I don't know how long. This insulated box is made with recycled material. Okay, that's good. Cool. Okay, so it does have a block of ice in it. And once I open that up, this is what's inside. We have the veggie, there's butter, carrots. Oh, they have the salad sauce in the package as well. And more sauce. There you go, there's more. So this is like different layers. The first layer is all veggies and stuff. Oh wow, this is 1 egg. It packages egg pretty well. So, let me show you. Ta-da! I like the design on this. This is pretty cool. 1 egg. Yeah. Can't really, it won't break. 1 apple. That was the first layer. Well, second if you're counting the ice. Anyway, so now here's the bottom. Here are all the meat. All the different cuts. So on the bottom, there's 1 more bag of ice. Ice is melting, but it's not melting that quick. There's still ice in there, and there's more chain stuff. So yeah, I think this is it. the box is well designed, but it's just cardboard box. If the ice for whatever reason breaks, then all the water will leak out, and then it will just make the box very flimsy, I suppose. But aside from that, all the veggie are in one level, and then the bottom level is the meat portion. This thing costs almost $60 plus shipping. I don't know. With all this stuff, I think it would be cheaper if we just buy them all. But then again, like we have a kid here, and going out to get stuff is not that convenient. So my wife, and also Ibotta is having this rebate, so my wife decided to buy this and just try out. As we hear this very frequently about the Blue Apron, so this is a good time to try it out. And all right, next stop, we're gonna cook it, and then see you in a bit. So it took us a while to cook all 3 meals. Personally, the amount of money they charge per the subscription is about $59 per week. So, but because of the Ibotta has $50 back, we already got the money back. So essentially, it only costs like $9, under $10 for all three for the entire package. So is it worth it? I don't know. I am not quite sure what Blue Apron is, their target audience is, because the amount of work that you had to put in is quite a lot. Each meal, even though it says 30 to 45 minutes on the sheet, but it actually took us well over an hour. One meal, the first one, we actually took us an hour and 30 minutes to finish it. So that's just cooking. If it's for a working professional, doesn't make sense because it doesn't save you time. And the money wise, I guess it saved you the trip to the grocery store. That's about it. But it only comes with 3 meals. And each meal has 2 servings. So I guess one meal, if you're just single person, you can eat it twice. Yeah, for 2 meals. But then if you are a family of 2, then it only lasts for 1 meal. If you are a working professional, you can only do it during the weekend. So I thought Blue Apron would be here for convenience. You think of subscriptions, you think of Netflix, you think of Amazon Prime, you think of those stuff that save you the trouble to go to grocery store and then save you the trouble of doing a lot of work. But this is not. So all the food that came in, you had to wash them, you had to chop them yourself. They are not pre-cut by any means. And essentially, they look more like something you would buy from a grocery store and then bring home. Follow a cooking detail to cook the meal. But aside from that, if you follow the instruction to cook the meal came out to be very tasty. So I gotta give them that. But aside from that point, it not only takes too long to cook, too much work involved, and also they are pretty pricey for the amount of food that you're getting. If it wasn't for Ibotta, then I'm not quite sure why will we pay almost $60 for only 3 meals. Yeah, that's too expensive. If that's the case, I'd rather go buy pre-cooked meal kit than to subscribe to Blue Apron. But anyway, that's just my thought. I'm having a hard time to wrap around who is the Blue Apron's target audience are. But if you know the answer, comment down below because I would like to know. It's kind of baffled me. But anyway, hope you really enjoyed this video. I'm gonna enjoy this food, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.